In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer projects to portfolios in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the specific portfolio where you intend to organize and manage your projects. This is crucial because portfolios help centralize your work, making it easier to oversee everything you're working on. So take a moment to navigate to your desired portfolio. Once you're in your portfolio, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see an option labeled Add Work. Go ahead and click that. This button is your gateway to adding projects to your portfolio and is pretty intuitive. Now, you'll need to find the project you want to transfer. In the field that appears after hitting the Add Work button, type the exact title of the project you wish to move into the portfolio. It's important that you type it accurately because Asana is designed to give you suggestions as you type. As you start typing, a dynamic drop-down menu will appear right below the search field. This menu shows suggestions based on what you're typing, so keep an eye on it. Once you see the project you're looking for, simply click on it. This will add it to your current portfolio view, and it's that simple. Now, take a moment to verify that the project has successfully appeared within your portfolio, sitting alongside any other related work you have. This step is critical because it ensures that your project consolidation has been completed successfully. If you have more projects to add, don't worry at all. You can repeat these steps for any additional projects you want to bring into this single hub. The process is the same each time. Just click Add Work, type the project name, select it from the drop-down, and check to make sure it's listed in your portfolio. Now that you've added everything you need, take a look at your portfolio one last time. Make sure that all of the projects you intended to transfer are now visible and organized to your liking. This will help streamline your workflow significantly. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred projects to a portfolio in Asana. By using portfolios, you can keep everything organized in one place, giving you a clear overview of your projects and their statuses. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We often create content around productivity tools like Asana, and your support helps us keep bringing you useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with organizing your projects in Asana.